Guys, welcome again to your Universal Tutor, guys. Where learning never stop and we believe in hard work and success. We don't believe in failing. So guys, subscribe to my channel, like the video and share it to others so that your fellow student can also learn from these videos. Okay, so we are going to solve this matrix. Okay, this is section B. It is grade 9 paper. All right, guys, this is 2024 grade 9. So we are going to solve this matrix. I'll start with the matrix that is on question 12. I'll also do 11, that one that says find the value. So we'll solve everything here. I will solve 11, 12, and 13. Okay, guys, I'm zooming in the question. So we have 11, 12, and 13. Okay, guys, we have 11, 12, and 13. So we're going to solve it here. Okay, so here, the first question here, they're saying what? We're going to answer this question. They're saying what? State the order of the matrix. Okay, so the order of the matrix, when they say the order of the matrix, what they mean the number of what? The number of rows and columns. So if you look at the number of rows and columns here, you just have to count the number of rows and columns. Then you can say here, you can say under here, you can just say equals. You can say the order of this matrix is what? You can see, let's count together. How many rows do we have here? How many rows do we have? We have, these are rows, these are columns. So we are going to say how many columns? We have 2 columns. And how many rows? 1, 2, 3. Okay? So we are going to start by what? By columns. So this matrix is what? Is 2 by what? 2 by 3. So we are going to write here 2 times 3. That's the order of the what? Of this matrix. Okay? It's a 2 by what? 2 by 3. That's the order of this matrix. It's a 2 by 3. Okay? So now we are going to question B. Here it's saying find 1 over 3b. So when they say find, what they're trying to say here, they're trying to say multiply this fraction with every number that is inside the what? The matrix. So we are going to solve it here. We're going to say equals. We're going to bring, have you seen this 1 over 3? We're going to write it here, 1 over 3. So we're going to put it here, 1 over 3. This 1 over 3 will be outside the matrix. Then we're going to bring everything inside this matrix. We're going to bring it this side, okay? So we are going to say, we're going to write everything that is in this matrix. So we are going to say 6 here, 3, 0. Then we're going to have negative 12, 9. Then we have 3 there. Close the matrix. So now when we close the matrix here, what we're supposed to do here now, it is to multiply everything inside this matrix with this fraction here. So we are going to have, we bring it here. We are going to have this fraction times. So for us to understand, I'll just write it in a simple way. So I'll say 1 over 3 times 6, negative 12, negative, let me just say 1 times negative what? Negative 12. I'll come here again, 1 over 3 times 3. Sorry guys, this is 3. Then we have 9 here. So we have 1 over 3 times 9. There is a 3 here, sorry. There is a 3, I forgot to write a 3 there. So we come to 0 again, we say 1 over 3 times 0. And we have, here we have 1 over 3 times 3. Okay? 1 over 3 times what? Times 3. So how are we going to solve this one now? So since it is here, we will start multiplying. So we say, we'll come again on top. We say 1 times 6. That will be what? We'll bring our matrix here. It's still in the matrix here. Don't forget, guys. It's still in the matrix. So we'll bring it here. When we bring it here, we're going to say 1 times 6 here. We're going to say 1 times 6 here. It's going to give us what? 6 over 3. We're going to come this side again. 1 times negative 12, it will give us what? Negative 12 over 3. Okay, then we're going to multiply 1 times 3 here to give us what? Here to be 3 over 3. Then here we'll multiply 1 times 9, it will give us what? 9 over 3. Let's not forget, guys, it's still a matrix. Okay, then we'll bring it here. We'll say 1 times 0, it's 0 over what? 3. Then 1 times 3 here, it's what? It's 3 over what? Over 3. It's still in the matrix. Don't forget these brackets, okay, guys? So it's still in the matrix. We're trying to find, they said we should find the value, okay? That's where we are going, guys. So here now you divide. So you say 3 into 6, that's what? That's 2. So you write your 2 here, okay? You write it here. Then 3 into 12, that is what? That is 4. Don't forget the sign. There's a sign there. So it's negative what? Negative 4. So you say 3 into 3, it is what? It is 1. 3 into 9, it is what? It is 3. So you say 3 into 0, that is 0. So 3 into 3, it is what? It is 1. So your matrix from here, it is what? It is done. From here, you'll find the value of that fraction. Okay, so now we are going to move to another matrix, another past paper. All right, guys. So now here is question 4. This is 2024 as well. This is paper 2. We are going to solve this matrix here. So I'm just going to copy it. Okay, guys. So here they are saying what? Here's the question. They are saying what? Express as a single what? Matrix. So what are they trying to say here? They are simply trying to say we have to multiply everything in the matrix with the other matrix. Okay. So guys, when we are multiplying here, we multiply row by column. Row by column. So we are going to start here. We're going to say equals. From here, we're going to say equals. Then we are going to say, from here, we're going to say equals. So after equals, we're going to say, we multiply row by column. So row by column, row by column, row by column, row by column. Okay, that's how you multiply. You multiply row by column, row by column, row by column, row by column, guys. Don't forget this one. So it will be what? It will be 3 times 3, then to be negative 2 times 2. Then we come to another row. We come to this row. It will be 1 times 3. Then it will be negative 4 times 2. Okay, guys? So from here, it's still under a matrix. Okay, guys? So now we are going to... They have just told us to make this as a single fraction. Or as a single matrix, sorry, guys. So as a single matrix, what we are going to do, we're going to multiply. So 3 times 3, that's what? That's 9. Okay? Then we have negative 2 times 2, that is what? Negative 4. Then 1 times 3, that is 3. Then we have negative 4 times 2, that's negative what? 8. So our matrix is done. Here we have answered. This is our single matrix. And from here it is done. Okay? All right, guys. So this is another matrix in 2024. This is past paper. They're saying, let's read it together. Given that x is equals to open bracket 1, 5, close bracket, and y. So these are, when you don't see over there, this is not a fraction. They're trying to say this is a matrix. And y is equals to 1,